Accounting statements and reports. Hi friends. Accounting is a language of business that gives a barometer to gauge the health of the business. Through its formal reports, and as I elaborated in previous videos, that the giant empire of accounting is standing on 5 robust pillars, namely asset, liability, owner's equity, revenue, and expense. Those videos were in Urdu language, and I will issue the English version of that soon. So, once again, a warm welcome to the SAIL, Shawar's Academy of Infinite Learning. Today's video is going to be more important because it will reveal the ultimate purpose of accounting. The real outcome of all accounting activities is to produce the reports. That could communicate the factual position of the business and could lead the management to make the decisions accordingly. Before producing such reports, following 3 financial statements are prepared to get fundamental knowledge of how the business is going. Balance sheet, also known as statement of financial position, income statement, statement of cash flows. In order to gather the set of information to make these financial statements, we must prepare the following statements first. General journal. Ledger T accounts is the simplest form of ledger. Trial balance. Adjusted trial balance after making end-of-year adjustments. Final trial balance after making closing entries. These statements are quite crucial in generating the desired information regarding multiple aspects of the business operations, financial positions, etc., and must be prepared with extreme care and professional approach. A little negligence can lead the management to make incompetent decisions that can cause irreparable damage to the business. Hence, this is inevitable to have vivid grip on 5 pillars of the accounting, as mentioned in the start of this video. And videos in Urdu language have already been made on these pillars and updated on this channel as well. In the next video, we will study the structure and purpose of each of these statements, and of course, we'll learn how to gather the data and use them to yield such statements accurately. Till then, goodbye.